He's not angry. He just understands why they did it.
Please don't call the police.
We can put it all back.
Yeah, we're really, really sorry.
How did you get in here?
We just really needed some food. There's always so much food.
We're really, really sorry.
We'll never do it again.
He listens, and that's enough.
I've actually got one of those myself. Well, it's not mine. I'm actually trying to get rid of it.
Because sometimes understanding is the reaction.
Well, not get rid of it exactly. Give it back to the authorities. Does yours like pureed carrot? But because mine absolutely loves it. I'm Trevor, by the way.